You just discovered it today?
Yeah.
Well, how long have you lived here?
Oh, 15 years.
15 years. Well, you're a little slow, huh?
We just moved in
Well-
2 days ago.
A mountain bike and I see the planes flying. So I put my GPS on to find the place.
What's this thing?
That's so cold. But
look
you
at
can
that.
understand that.
Oh, neat.
Oh, no.
Look at that.
Oh,
Technology, huh?
that's a GSD.
So you need to buy one of these.
I fly the real deal.
Huh?
I fly the real deal.
You do? Yeah? Well, then you got to fly one of these, right? That's what they're there for. All right? Don't forget we have. Can't imagine why. All right? Does that thing have one of those motion things in it that so it doesn't? Yeah. Okay. Amazing technology.
It not only has that, it also has full HD, 60
Yeah.
frames.
Yeah. That's for you to read when you get home,
Okay.
and then sign up and send us your money, and we'll make you a member.
Okay.
All right?
Oh, you mean we have to pay?
Gotta pay.
Gotta pay to play.
AAA.
Dry cell, 1.5 volts.
It's a 2C and a whole